Dancehall recording artist Bunty Killer joins Digicel as the newest brand ambassador, and also recording artist Shenseea, a pretty little thing brand ambassador for an international company in the UK. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Hi again and welcome back to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Great news coming outside of the entertainment world as dancehall entertainer Bunty Killer and Shenseea has landed an endorsement deal. This move came further on becoming the heat of a new development in social media and also the sensation of the development of Jamaican music. So Bunty Killer announced that this week that a milestone development with the announcement of dancehall entertainer Bunty Killer as the newest brand ambassador for Digicel. On the height of his much celebrated career that spans several decades, Bunty Killer will provide digital customers with a unique experience that empower and excite their digital lives, the company said in a press release. This media partnership came about after Bunty Killer publicly highlighted Digicel for the wonderful internet connection and service that they gave through the viral series of the versus battle between Beenie Man and Bunty Killer. Following that, Digicel in June also made kindly donation to the Majestic Gardens community that were impacted heavily by the COVID virus. In welcoming Bunty Killer to the star-studded lineup of ambassadors, Natasha Monique Douglas, Chief Marketing Officer for Digicel, noted that Bunty will also play a pivotal role in Digicel's future community and outreach program. After years in the music at the top of his game, Bunty has become not only a dancehall legend but also an icon in the Jamaican music culture. His personal story and his self-empowerment, growth, and unwavering dedication to the Jamaican music and exactly those traits that make him one of the most profound dancehall reggae artists to date. Bunty Killer is very excited about this new partnership with Digicel, and he states, "I'm so proud to be a part of promoting the Digicel brand, and I want to encourage and inspire all of my fans to do the same," Bunty urged. Bunty Killer further endorsed Digicel and stated that he's letting the world know that this is a brand that caters to all people and empowers their digital lifestyle. The entertainer now joins a lineup of Digicel brand ambassadors, including the fastest man and chief speed officer for Digicel, Usain Bolt, world leading champion Shelly Fraser-Price, and Olympic champion Alfonso Cunningham. Now on to our next story. Shenseea, also a brand ambassador, just announced this week. So the dancehall recording singer Shenseea has endorsed another major accomplishment in her career as she has another major corporate international brand deal under her belt. So on Wednesday, the UK-based fashion retailer Pretty Little Thing announced that the Shenyang DJ is their newest brand ambassador. The company later made a post on a social media platform introducing our newest brand ambassador. Welcome to the family at Shenseea. We're so excited for what's to come. Share the brand under a photo of Shenseea to their 12.4 million followers on Instagram. Pretty Little Thing is a popular fashion and beauty lifestyle clothing brand which became popular in America largely through the partnership with Kylie Jenner, Kourtney Kardashian, as well as R&B singer Ashanti and Tiana Taylor. The recording artist also took the time to share the good news with her fans on Instagram and state that she is happy to announce a deal and remind her fans that she's taking her brand on an international level. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and congratulations to Bunty Killer and recording artist Shenseea for landing this deal. We'll be right back with more details to come on these plus more programs. Alright, we're out for now. Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, always giving you the best in entertainment news. Alright, peace.